Okay, let's dive into Visionary AI Cinema, or VAC. It's this platform with a pretty staggering promise.
Staggering is one word for it.
Yeah,
Watch movie trailers, invest $30,000, and they claim you'll get $90,000 back in, what, 10 weeks?
exactly. So, our mission today, based on these sources, is figuring out, is this truly visionary or just, well, pure fantasy?
Weapons-grade delusion, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Let's start with their big claims. They talk about AI revolutionizing streaming, paying users.
And the partnerships, that's key. They name-drop Netflix, Disney, HBO Max.
Yeah.
The giants.
Right. But what do the sources say about that?
Well, that's the first huge red flag. Zero evidence, like
Yeah.
none.
Really? No press releases, nothing.
Nothing. Our sources checked. People at those companies. Apparently, they've never even heard of VAC. It seems completely fabricated.
Okay, so the partnerships are shaky, to say the least. What about the money? The actual numbers?
The math, or the lack thereof. So you invest crypto, right? USD pegged crypto.
Yeah, into different VIP levels. Like $60 gets you $2.40 a day, they promise.
And that top tier we mentioned, $30,000 invested, supposedly spits out $1,200 daily.
$1,200 a day.
It's just
Wow.
financially impossible. Think about it. Netflix makes maybe, what, $15 a month from a subscriber, give or take?
Per month. Yeah.
VAC is promising daily returns that are like 40 times that, just for clicking play on trailers. It violates basic economics, maybe even physics, as one source joked.
40 times Netflix's monthly revenue daily.
Exactly. If they could do that, why bother with small investors? They own Wall Street.
Okay, so the math is fantasy. Where do we look for the, the technical signs of fraud, the operational stuff?
Good question. We look at how it's built. The website, for instance, registered using privacy protection. Very common when you don't want to be found.
Hiding who's behind it. Standard practice for scams?
Pretty much. But dig deeper.
Mm.
The customer support chat feature, the software it runs on, investigators traced it. It leads back to a company in Beijing.
Anonymous registration, software linked offshore.
It screams anonymity and planning for a quick exit. Classic scam behavior, like abandoning domain names once the gig is up.
And the fraud analysis sites, they have a specific label for this, don't they?
They do. It's tagged as a click-a-button Ponzi scheme. It's a known model.
Because we've seen this before.
Precisely. Think AIUP, Eternal Horizon. Names you might remember. Same exact pattern.
Right. They pay out initially.
Using money from new investors, yeah. Creates buzz, looks legit for a bit, until the new money slows down. Then boom, withdrawals get locked, the website disappears, and everyone's funds are gone.
Wow. Okay, but this goes even deeper, doesn't it? The analysis connects VAC to organized crime.
Yes, and this is critical context for you listening. This isn't just a few rogue programmers.
It's bigger.
Much bigger. We're talking documented links to sophisticated criminal networks. They operate out of these so-called scam factories, often based in places like Cambodia and Myanmar.
Scam factories. Seriously?
Yeah. Yes. These are large-scale operations. So large, in fact, that they've triggered international action. Thailand cut power to some of these areas. The U.S. Treasury has actually sanctioned officials in Cambodia linked to protecting these operations.
So we're talking major international crime rings focused on crypto theft.
Exactly. And VAC fits that profile.
And the final really nasty part is how they get people involved, right? The recruitment.
Yes. The 6-level recruitment system. This is where it gets personal.
6 levels. How does that work?
It's basically MLM, a pyramid structure, built on top of the Ponzi. You earn commissions not just for people you directly recruit, but for people they recruit and their recruits, down 6 layers.
So you're incentivized to bring in your friends, your family?
Precisely. It turns victims into recruiters, making them complicit. They leverage trust your personal relationships to expand the scam, right up until the moment everyone tries to withdraw and finds their accounts locked.
So pulling this all together for everyone listening,
Yeah.
What's the takeaway?
Well, the evidence is pretty clear, isn't it?
It seems so. Visionary AI cinema looks like documented fraud. It uses AI buzzwords, promises impossible returns.
And crucially, it's linked to these large established international criminal networks. It's not some small-time thing.
So definitely not visionary.
Definitely not. And perhaps the final thought here. It's easy to focus on the lost crypto, the financial damage.
Yeah, the money stolen.
But maybe the most insidious part is that recruitment system. Using trust, familial trust, friendship as a literal financial weapon. It makes you wonder.
What else?
Yeah. What are the
Yeah.
new technologies? AI, blockchain, the metaverse.
Yeah.
What else is being weaponized right now to build that fake trust for the next big scam designed to hurt the people closest to us?